Hey everybody, welcome to Stabicraft on the Sound channel. Stacy here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. That helps us out a ton. The moment when I'm working on, obviously we're not on the water, I am building a quick stand to slide my lower unit into. So I have a place to mount it solidly. While I go ahead and replace the water pump impeller, drain the gear lube underneath, lube up the prop shaft, and get everything put back together. So I've made one cut here just across the top, cut the rest of it out. We'll get the thing on here and get going. So this is nothing more than a auto body fender stand. You can get them cheap at your local Harbor Freight or other similar type store. Northern Tool. For you guys out of the US, I'm not sure what your stores are, but it's pretty common. This is nothing more than a piece of plywood that's been sitting around the shop forever. So maybe we'll see how this fits. And the answer is pretty well. I'm going to make the cut a little deeper, get a little more back in there, but with the majority of the weight being up at the front, this would probably hold, but no reason not to get a little more solid purchase on it. Alright, thing is still plenty solid. Now we've got a fairly solid area to work on this, putting it at a nice height. Let's see if I can get the camera angle here changed a little. So yeah, this should make working on this a lot faster and simpler. And then at home, this thing will store out of the way with no problems at all. No matter where I want to slip it in, it'll fit. So I'm going to pause this, grab the tools we need, and we'll get to work.